Meron naman tayong katanungan para sa ating mga rest-backer. First question is for Marco Rujo.
Ayan. Marco, are you ready? Marco, actually, tatlo silang tatanungin natin ng question.
Same question to.
Marco, Enzo, and Maki. Ayan. Alright. Question is, ano ang pinaka nakakatawa o pinaka nakakalokang nangyari sa'yo habang nagpa-perform ka? Marco.
Pinaka nakakatawa. Ngayon pa lang natatawa na ako eh. I mean, marami po kasing kumbaga maraming unforgettable na moments nung sumalang po kami dito sa tanghalan. Pero ang pinaka nakakatawa kasi, feeling ko lang nakakatawa kasi nininervyos po kami lahat nun eh. Ang nakakatawa na lang po siguro after nung mga performances namin. Yun yung parang pumiyok ka. Pag tatanungin ka na, ha? Talaga ba? Parang, pag pinakinggan mo na, oo nga no, pero okay naman no. Parang yun na lang po yung parang way namin para parang itaas yung confidence namin at ulitin ng ulitin kung ano man yung nasimulan namin and galingan ng galingan para itatawa mo na lang ng itatawa hanggang sa, ayun, para po ako, yun, nakaabot naman ng finals kahit pa paano. Ayun, yun po siguro yung funny moments.
Yes, thank you so much, Marco Rujo. Nakakatawa yun! Ito naman for Maki, same question.
Tago ka muna.
Tayo ka naman, Maki, para makita yung wonderful gown. Yeah!
Alam mo,
Maki!
alam mo, nakakaiyak kasi, akala ko hindi na ako tatanungin, sayang naman yung outfit ko.
Tama.
Moment mo na to. Moment mo na.
Pinarush ko po to kagabi, oh. Bago ang lahat, hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Nakakatawa siguro sa akin yung sa sobrang sarap ng performance, yung hati dito sa stage, lumusot yung heels ko. Oo. Tapos muntik na ako mahulog. Buti na lang, hindi ako naganoy. O arte. Siguro yun lang nakakatawa. Tapos yung iyak ako ng iyak after ng performance, hindi na pa pala ako maganda sa TV.
Thank you so much, Maki, with a wonderful gown and sleeves.
True. Oo.
Same question goes to Raven.
Raven Hayres.
Kalmot.
Siyempre, tatayo ka rin. Parang di sayang yung outfit. Hello
That's
po.
Raven. Raven, hindi Noe sa kanina.
Oo,
sa
Noe
video.
kanina yung nakalagay. Parang mas maganda si Ate Noe sa akin. Pero okay lang. Charot. Siguro sa akin yung nung naglagay ako ng petroleum jelly sa ko, bangs. Tapos pagtapat ng spotlight, umusok, ha? So paano to? Tinanggal ko na lang. Rehearsal pa lang naman yun. So parang kinabahan ako, oh my God. Umusok siya.
Girl on fire.
Ayun po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Raven.
Minsan kasi dahil sa kaban, dami natin nagagawa, di ba? Before
Actually.
performance.
Ang dami tuloy iniisip.
True. Si Vensor naman, anong sagot mo sa katanungan na yan? Nasaan si Vensor? Ayan, si Vensor. Pinaka nakakatawa or nakakaloka?
Ang nakakatawa talaga na-experience ko yung akala ko tatangkad ako sa TV.
Akala mo tatangkad ka?
Akala mo. Kasi yung mga nagkakaidolo sa akin, nagugulat sila pag nakikita ko sa personal. Kasi sabi nila, ang tangkad mo sa TV. Bakit sa personal ang liit mo? So yun lang, nakakatawa yun.
Oy, Bensor, mag-show na kayo ni Nanette.
Nanette and Vensor.
Oo, ni Nanette para...
Hindi mo pa na-produce eh.
Ay, yung Nanette and Bensor.
Next time.
Next time na lang po, Idol.
Thank you so much, Vensor. Ito naman
Thank
for
you
Miss
po.
Venus, same question po.
Venus. Ayan.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon. Nakakaloka siguro yun sa akin. Siguro dun sa part na nakakaloka ay yung pagbuo ng mga songs. Kasi sa sobrang dami ng contestants, sa sobrang tawag dito, ang dami ng season ng tawag ng tanghalan, ang paulit-ulit yung kanta, ganyan. Sobrang naloka ako sa pagbuo talaga kung ano yung best songs. Pero, ayun, you just have to believe in yourself na naniniwala ka na mapaperform mo yung kanta at ma-approve din po ng ating mga arrangers. Ayun. Thank you pa sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Venus. Totoo yun, no? Minsan unahan sa kanta, di ba? Song choice. Lorraine?
Yes! So, thank you so much sa inyong pag-share ating mga restbackers. At syempre, meron pa tayong mga questions. Last 2 questions po for Sir Jed Madela. From Push Manila. Push Manila po. Push Manila Santos.
Push.com. Miss Manila, all right. Miss Manila has her questions.
Okay. My question's for the judges. So you guys are you're highly respected and admired in your field, but was there ever a time in your life where whether something got postponed, canceled, or an opportunity that got away, where you felt na you came back with a vengeance, kumbaga nag-grand dress back kayo, whether it be a minor or major thing in your life?
For me siguro maraming opportunities na hindi ko na na-grab. So I guess that's life. I guess it's part of life na may mga bagay-bagay na dumarating sa buhay mo na minsan you'll just let it pass and then magre-regret ka. So I always take note of it and always tell yung mga nami-mentor ko at natuturuan ko na always grab every opportunity that comes because you'll never know kung darating pa ulit yun o hindi na, 'di ba? So especially when you're an artist and you're here sa Pilipinas na ang dami-daming gustong manotice, gustong pumasok sa industriya. Whatever opportunity that's given to you, grab it and then pag nakuha mo yung opportunity na yun, make use of it and milk mo talaga, gagawin mo lahat para mailabas mo kung anong kaya mo ibigay sa tao. So, yun.
Thank you, Kuya Jed.
Can the other judges answer also?
Okay. Paano bumalik with a vengeance? Matanda na kasi ako, no? So, I think there have been so many opportunities that I thought were meant for me but never transpired. And of course, it comes with a major disappointment. Parang ikamamatay mo kung di mo makuha, di ba? Pero minsan, I think at this point in my life, what I embrace is I know that there is a better plan for me from the man above, diba? That I will just take whatever is for me. At the end of the day, really, I'm thankful and grateful that I have a family, I have a wonderful wife, and children that I love. That's my priority. Everything else is secondary. So, with the vengeance, I don't think of those things anymore. For me, as long as I'm able to do what I do, which is write music and sing them, that's all I care about.
Thank you, Kuya Augie. Miss Manila?
Yes, sa akin naman, quickly lang, siguro just my love for theater. Parang napabayaan ko siya and then the pandemic happened. I did Carousel, tapos sunod-sunod na lahat ng plays. So I think staying true to what I love so much, it helped me just find my space in the world and to just really grow. And I was surrounded by such giving actors. Everyone in the community was just oozing with artistry. Being surrounded by national artists also helped a lot. And just knowing that even kunwari, abroad, people were contributing to the show by that I did, Artists for Artists. They wanted to fund the tickets of the young artists. So alam mo yung artist community pala is more than just a performance, a successful song, a hit song, or a successful sold-out play. It is who we are as a people. We are artists. Filipinos are artists, and there will always be support from every single space in the world because it's bigger than just our own small little dream. So if we work on it together, wow, yun ang resback. Parang ang laki pala nito. Hindi lang siya about my own career.
Ako naman, I started competing at the age of 16 years old. That was in 1976. And I didn't win all the time. I had a couple of defeats. But to get back on your feet and say, I will not give up and I will compete again, makes you a winner. So always remember that. Never give up. Alam mo, kanya-kanyang panahon yan. You always say, maybe it's not my time today, tomorrow, or what. But never give up. You just have to keep on dreaming and doing what you love to do. And sali kayo na ng sali. And TNT, this is what TNT is doing. Diba? It's giving you the opportunity to give back and show that panalo na ako kasi hindi ako natatakot na mag-give up. I'm willing to give it another shot. So that's the most important thing. Never with vengeance. Never. Do it for yourself. Do it because you love it. And again, you're honing your craft. That alone, you are winners already. It's a never-ending journey. Yun. And I thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa ating Horados. And thank you once again, Ms. Manila.
So much.
All right. Last question for today is from Jason Laluna of Certified Kapamilya.
Yes. Good afternoon. So, wala pong perfect, para ka po kay Sir Jed, wala po kasing perfect na performances. So, paano nyo po binabalance na magbigay ng constructive criticism while encouraging the contestant po?
I think you just have to be honest. Yun lang talaga. You have to be honest, and that's what the contestants deserve to hear. Kasi in the long run, whether you win or you lose, kung ano yung mga nakukuha ninyo na tips and pointers from the Horados, yun ang maiuuwi ninyo at ma-apply ninyo sa mga susunod ninyong performances. Totoo yan, there's no perfect performance, but you know one thing siguro that will really make your performance stand out is if you're very authentic to yourself. Hindi ka gumagaya. Maybe you get inspiration, but you get that inspiration and you use that na maging sayo. Maging authentic ka, maging sincere ka sa performance mo, and that's going to make you stand out. Kaya, ayun. I think that's I hope that answered your question. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much sa ating mga press na nagbigay ng mga napakagandang katanungan sa ating mga hurado at mga restbackers. Siyempre naman, bago natin tapusin ang mga katanungan, one last question po sa ating apat na hurado. Ano ba ang dapat nating abangan na bago sa All-Star Grand Restback 2025?
Yes, sabi ni Kuya Jed kanina, pag sinabing tawag na tanghalan, there's always something new. Diba?
Yes. Kakaiba ito, madlang people. Meron tayong mga house. Parang mga parang may pagka-encantado siya ng konti. Hello sa mga Encantadix na nasa live stream. Ako po ang tagapangalaga ng Brilyante ng Tubig. Pero sa may mga house, may kampihan. Kailangan gumaling ang inyong house at may mga mangyayari along the way. Surprise na lang siguro para exciting, di ba? Pero they have never seen a tawag ng tanghalan like this before.
That's true. Tama yan. And expect the unexpected. And yun nga, sinabi din kanina na the reason why tawag ng tanghalan is here until now is because merong bago lagi every season. And this time, itong Resbaka na to, ibang-iba na talaga. So, at ito pa, may mga new Horados tayo. May new Horados.
Kailan natin sila makikilala?
Soon. A-announce na ba ngayon? Sabihin na natin. Alright, yung unang-una, of course, ang ating concert queen, Miss Pops Fernandez.
Wow!
Abangan, yes.
And
Hulaan nyo.
may hula ba kayo? Babae siya, babae.
Yes. Pero may Asia din siya sa title.
Asia.
May Asia sa title?
Asia.
Sino?
Lani
Misalucha.
Wow, di ba?
Yung mga pasabog,
Pasabog.
natin.
Dalawang bagong hurado as Miss Pops Fernandez and Miss Lani Misalucha. Abangan natin yan.
Correct. Naku, pang malakasan talaga this All-Star Grand Rest Back
True.
2025.
Talagang pasabog, hindi basta-basta, hindi ba?
How about kay Sir Louie? Ano pa pong aabangan nating bago sa ating All-Star Grand Rest Back?
Expect the best because TNT, Tawag ng Tanghalan, is a brand. It's a special brand that they've created excellent performers and singers. So, in this coming season, expect the best because you will only get the best from Tawag ng Tanghalan.
Yes.
Ayan.
Sir Ogie Alcacid.
Well, nasabi mo na ba na apat yung bahay?
Apat ang
yung bahay. So, paghahati-hatiin namin kayong lahat, magkakampi-kampihan kayo. Mula sa apat, magiging 2. So, meron 2 bahay na mabubuwag. Sino man yon, nasa sa inyo yon.
Ah, 2 bahay ang mabubuwag.
From 4 to 2.
Kaya nga.
They have to work together, tapos be competitors. Ay, exciting.
So parang may mga kakampi kaya sila dito. Ganun.
Ayun nga ang aabangan natin. Naku, thank you so much po sa ating mga hurado.
Salamat po. Mas kinabahan ba kayo, guys? Ready na ba kayo? Excited na? Yes! Alright! Maraming salamat sa ating friends from the press. Maraming salamat po. At syempre, gusto rin namin magpasalamat sa Regent Snaku, Regent Cheese Ring,
Erase Beauty Care, Beyond Time, Beyond Beauty. Of course, thank you so much, Kurt Axel Photography.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, everybody. And there you have it. Thank you so much sa pagtangkilik ng ating pinaka-exciting na resbakan.
Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod sa
Tawag na Tanghalan All-Star Grand Resback 2025!